Going on, guys? Let's look at these problems right here. The first question is asking, the circuit is composed of a capacitor connected in series to an inductor and resistor. The capacitor is initially uncharged. What is the instantaneous current flowing through the circuit at time t is equal to 0.34 second? Now here the keyword is it's uncharged, right? So whenever we have something uncharged, it means there's no current. So if they're asking for the instantaneous current, it means the current is going to be zero because we don't have current, so the answer is going to be zero. Okay, now let's look at the second problem. The circuit is composed of a capacitor connected in series to an inductor and resistor. The capacitor is initially charged for a long time with a 47 voltage battery to contains 36 coulombs of charge. What value of resistance in ohms is needed for this circuit to discharge at the critical rate? Okay, so here the question is asking for the resistance, and here we have inductor, right? So when we have inductor and they are asking for the resistance, we have to think about this equation. The resistor and inductor are connected like R is equal to 2 square root of L over C. And also we have the capacitor, right? Capacitor and inductor, that's going to be L over C. Now we have the inductor, but we don't have the capacitor provided because this is coulomb, this is charge, and this is voltage. Now we have to write the capacitor in terms of charge and the voltage, and you can this equation, Q is equal to CV, therefore C is equal to Q over V. So that's the one we are going to use instead of C. So instead of C we plug this one, L over Q divided by V. This V will flip around, and that's going to give us VL over Q. Okay, now this is the one we are going to plug. Now when you plug it in calculator, it's better to do this part alone first, VL over Q. Otherwise you will have problem with BODMAS rules. Sometimes you will get the wrong answers, right? So it's better to do this part outside, like V times L over Q, then plug it in the square root, then multiply by 2. And if you do that, V times L is going to be 47 times 42 divided by the charge, that's going to be 36, and if you calculate this one you will get 54.833. Then if you square root this one, square root of VL over Q, you will get 7.40495. And now the question is 2 times of this, 2 times 7.40495, and that's going to give us, it's better to write in this one first and then show the final answer. Okay, 2, instead of V we plugged 47, and instead of L we plugged 42, and the charge was 36. Okay, that's the one we did here, that's the one we did and calculated. We only calculated this square root part, so we have to multiply that one with 2. 2 times 7.40495, and if you multiply this one you will get 14.8099, but in the question it's asking to give us in 3 significant figures, so this is going to be just 14.8 ohm, and that's going to be the final answer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.